I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride that they died. Gotta
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a maintenance vlog, so I'm just going to be taking you guys along to some of my appointments and little things I do, like going out to eat, and just little spontaneous things that I do to just keep my life together and feeling girly, clean, and you know, just keeping up with myself. So throughout this vlog, we're going to be getting our nails done, hair done. I might get some tooth gems, I don't know yet, I'm still debating, but I might do that. So let's just get straight into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get going to the mall. So we made it to the mall. Say hi, Taylor.
It's good, shawty.
Say hi, Chrissy.
Hey.
And yeah, so we're gonna go shopping.
I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she's too scary.
So I was gonna get some shoes in Shoe Palace, but their overall customer service was trash.
Absolutely horrifying.
She got 2 shoes though.
I'm desperate.
But we're gonna go in Bath and Body Works, see if we can find a candle, and then be on the way home. Hey guys, so I am back from the mall, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little haul, and then I also got a package from Fashion Nova. I'm still waiting on some of my other stuff, but I'm just gonna give you guys a mini haul of some of the items that I did get in this package. But for the rest of it, you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for my Fashion Nova haul. Make sure you guys are subscribed and post notifications on so you guys can know when that haul drops. But let's just get straight into what I got. From Sephora, I got this Brazilian Crush 62 spray. So good. If you guys watched my hygiene routine, then you've seen that this is one of my favorite sprays. So I had to re-up on this. Makeup wise, I got some more NARS concealer. I forgot the shade I have here, so I need to even check if this is the right shade. I just kind of went with it, so hopefully it's the right shade. I just got a mini translucent setting powder because I need a little bit more. And then I got some Urban Decay setting spray because I needed some more of this too. So I just got that from Sephora. Let's just get into the Fashion Nova package. So I'm just gonna show you guys this little set that I got. It's just this little blue set. It says Aspen. It's a crew neck, and then it comes with matching sweatpants to go with it. These don't say anything on it, but they're just blue. And then they got a little pocket on the back. So cute little matching set for the fall time. Then I got this little jacket. It's like a Lululemon looking jacket. Really cute. I actually did get leggings to go with it, not matching ones, but some like blue yoga flare leggings, but those didn't come in this package. Those will probably come tomorrow or Friday. I think you guys have probably seen this on social media maybe, but it's this matching light blue set. It's just a little fuzzy jacket and then some little flare fuzzy pants to go with it. I got a purse to go with it, and this is their new collection of purses, so let's see if this even matches with this outfit because I was just kind of winging it. This is the purse. So cute. It's different, definitely has a lot of pockets, and it's bigger than what I expected. And then it has another band if I wanted to wear it a little bit longer.
Falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. want me like that. To everybody else, it will just hold me back.
Hey guys, so it is the next day and today I'm going to be going out with my friend and we're gonna go get some food. We're gonna be eating pho. This is actually my first time trying pho, so I'm excited because I heard it was good. She's tried it and she said it was good, so we're gonna see what it's about. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna get going. So this whole outfit is from Fashion Nova. First we have this little crop top and then we have some orange sweatpants and then we have some Yeezys, a little orange purse, and yeah. Trying pho for the first time. It's okay. I would rate this like a 6, maybe even a 5. No, I'm just kidding. It's decent. It's decent. Go try it.
Baby, to a place we can't be. I'm alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Lay your head on my pillow. Touch is making me feel wet.
Hey guys, so as you can see, it is the next day. I already started getting ready. I'm getting ready for my hair appointment. My hair appointment is at 2 o'clock. I need to leave at like 1:30 and it is 12:55. So I'll definitely be on time because I don't have to do anything to my hair. I washed my hair. She said just come with it washed and she'll blow dry it. So I just decided to wash it right before the appointment because my hair gets dry easy. So I just want it to just be as moisturized as possible. I am gonna be getting large or like jumbo knotless braids. And then I'm pretty sure she got like an ombre color, so a brown to a blonde. I think it'll be really cute. I'm excited to get my hair done. I just been needing something like new. You know that feeling if you're a girl, you just want something new. So I definitely had to get my hair done. And this is kind of like a maintenance vlog for like Thanksgiving in a way because I am gonna be leaving tomorrow to go back home. If you're new to this channel, then I am in college right now in Las Vegas at UNLV and I currently live in Arizona, so I'll be flying out tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll also be getting my nails done, so that's gonna be tomorrow's maintenance day. So I'm excited to get my nails done because I really need my nails done. It's been probably like 3 weeks. I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow and getting Starbucks. I'm so excited because in college you gotta be on a little budget here. You can't just be spending all your money, especially on food. So you definitely have to manage your money. I feel like being in college, I definitely have liking coffee more, which is like so weird because before I didn't really care for coffee at all and I had one right across the street from my house. So I don't really know why I have such a like obsession now, but I literally get it every time I have class, which is only 2 days out of the week, and that's really what motivates me to go to class. Like if I didn't have Starbucks in the morning, I'd probably be kind of irritated. But yeah, so I'm really looking forward to that tomorrow. And obviously getting my nails done too. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a little bit about what was going on for today. But I will see you guys when I'm done getting ready. I'll give you guys a little outfit of the day and then we're gonna head out of here to get these braids. So I'll see you guys when I'm done getting ready. Okay guys, so I'm all ready and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. The whole outfit is from Fashion Nova, just this little crew neck. I don't even know what it says, I forgot. And then these camel sweats, and then it says Angel on the back, and then some Yeezy slides, and then this little Fashion Nova purse. And I already ordered my Uber, so they should be here pretty soon. And yeah, we're just gonna get this head done because as you can see, it's looking a mess. So I will see you guys when I get there.
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking my
Hey guys, so I'm all done with my hair and my friend came and picked me up and we're gonna go get Dutch Bros right now. Get a little drink because I haven't had that in a minute and I'm craving that. So we're gonna get that and then I'm gonna go back to my dorm room and then I'll give you guys more of like a 360 of my hair because it came out so cute. I will see you guys when I get to my dorm room. I can show you guys my hair. Hey guys, so it's been like a week later, but as you can see my braids are still looking cute, but I am gonna take it down soon because like I was telling you guys, my hair already got a little bit dry, so it is time to wash it. But I didn't get a chance to show you guys 360 of my braids, so I'll insert a little video right here so you guys can see it. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog. I know it was pretty short, but it was a quick little maintenance vlog. I'll definitely be doing some in the future, so stay tuned for more of those to come. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. I bought Lennox Mall for my brothers. Go yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curse was gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit.